To diagnose the issue, we are going to check 3 KPIs. One is forecast accuracy, another is inventory target, and third one is OTIF, which is on time in full. OTIF says, are we able to fulfill the customer demand on time as per the request time and in full quantity, whatever quantity customer has asked for. So, if the forecast accuracy is high and we are able to fulfill our inventory target 100%, then still we are having low OTIFs, which means we have the inventory at DC level, but we are not able to supply it to customer. It's a supply issue. The second thing is, let's say we are having a low forecast accuracy, but we are having high inventory targets, and that is why our OTIFs are high, but still we are experiencing high level of inventory. It can be an issue of over forecast, where accuracy is low but inventory is high. Opposite to this, there can be low forecast accuracy and low inventory targets, and that is why low OTIF level. This can happen due to under forecast issue.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.